past 3 years, she has helped train and coordinate the Miss Grand Hmong pageant for the Madison Hmong New Year celebration, using her experience to encourage young women to shine. Growing up, T was actively involved in the Hmong Madison community and throughout Wisconsin, embracing servant leadership as a core value. Pageantry has played a meaningful role in her journey, helping her grow as a leader, building lasting connections, and deepen her love for Hmong culture. Once again, please give a warm round of applause for T. Zhang.
T. Zhang, it's a third judge.
我被这次老古有讲呢，小那天我到你那个字，一路来那家，一讨你做那啥的事。แต่这老那多这字，那多这字不老哟，老的这几个做这几样嘢，那家的就路系点，那要去晒就晒，你要这几帮几样，你要自己这里那这几本事。老巴晒不成功做，设计对象二千那个招，几只字都孬用我的包，这里路好了等接的，农事会上天天，我是我干成天，我知道你是能收到。ยังยอดตัวเชิงนอยันไทยยังเราต้องเกี่ยวกับสิ่งทัวเราจะยิ่งอยากสดใสเที่ยแหกเที่ยในเราได้เฉลิมเป้าแต่การตัวไทยต้องเกี่ยวกับเลยไปยังมัวดีออฟเฟนเราจะเนี่ยเรามัวปาจะตัวไทยพอกันได้รอตรงแบบในช้าเตในช้าสีในหกของช้าเราอันนี้พอในสักลาตัวซึ่งเรายังไงนะพอได้เฉลิมเขาเป้ามัวเกี่ยวกับเตเที่ย DJ music please ตัวชาย有得到反对呢，有得我们我刚才胜利。Ganjai's career aspiration is to become a NICU nurse. Her hobbies and interests include volunteering for Asperger's Hospital and Hmong American Center, being active in the community and school events, exploring new and fun life opportunities, playing volleyball, in addition to playing instruments, including the violin, French horn, mellophone, and trumpet. Her extracurricular activities include being a member of the following clubs: Raise Your Voice, Youth Culture, Hmong Dance, and Pre-Med. She also performs with Silver Strings, Tap Hatters Jazz Band, and Prestige Choir. Power Children was sponsored by Tao Ganjai, Sandy Tao Photography, Carissa Monk Clothes, Shia Vu of the Spicy Kitchen, Paying John, Miss Monk Wisconsin 2025 Second Princess, Chi Tao, Chu Yang, Hua Zhang, Cassie Lee, Kia Tao, Mai Gu Tao, Mai Mei Hua, Cheng Hyung, Orlando Pop, Shang Li, Tipukaya Zai Pop. พอจะได้รู้ว่าจะตัวชายการจ่ายสิ่งดี Judges and audience, you have 2 minutes.